How to add fade in and fade out animation in Wix Studio. So if you want to add a fade in or fade out, what you can do is you can head over and then apply it into an image, a text, or a button. For this case, let's head over and choose in here this image that we have right there. So if it's not open already, make sure to click onto this icon in order to open the inspector. Now click onto this thunder icon in order to see the animations and effects that you can apply to this particular element. So in order to add a fade in or fade out, it's actually found under the entrance. You can also find it in the hover as well as click and scroll. So just choose which type of animation type you want. If you choose entrance, it will only be animated when it enters your screen. If you animated it on hover, it will be animated when you hover to this particular part of the element. So if you choose click, if you click onto this image, it will only move when you click on it. And for the scroll, it will animate whenever you're scrolling to that particular part of the page. So just choose which part you want. For this case, I'll just choose entrance. Then click onto this fade option. And then from in there, it should be able to apply right here that particular animation. So once you're done, click on publish option in order to publish it. So that's how you add fade in and fade out in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.